I had every intention of making this video a week ago, but yeah, didn't happen.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey vodka, and you know I'm here to stay.
All right, howdy folks. So, like I said, I was gonna make this 5 days ago, but if you follow me on Facebook and Instagram and all that, you know that I've been out in Terlingua in Big Bend National Park. My wife and I go out with a friend of ours, another couple friend of ours, and we go hiking every year. So now I'm limping and blisters and all that fun stuff. But before we left, a couple days before we left, which is when I intended on shooting this video, just out of the blue, I got sicker than a dog. I mean, to where it didn't move all day long. And the next day I moved a little bit, but just had no energy to do anything. And the following day we left for Terlingua. So if you've ever been out there, you know there's almost no cell signal anywhere, but when you're at where you're staying, if they've got Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi is not great. So anyway, long story short, I've just kind of been off a week for various reasons, but I wanted to get this out there. We are excited about our upcoming trip to the Three Twisted Sisters. Kelly B put out a video yesterday. So Kelly B Glyden and myself are doing a ride to the Three Twisted Sisters. The ride is on November 9th. I am going down on November 8th, the afternoon of November 8th. Everyone is staying in Kerrville, Texas. And we were going to try to block some rooms at a hotel, but we have no idea if 10 people or 100 people are coming. It's looking closer to like it might be 100 based on the messages we're getting. So I hope you're making plans to go. The goal is for this to be our first annual. So let's see what we can do here. If this is a success, we'll do this every year and maybe turn this into a thing. A motorcycle thing in Texas. So I hope that you can make it. It's gonna be a great time. So rather than block rooms that we get stuck with at some particular hotel, there's a whole list of hotels in Kerrville. I mean, they've got the Hampton Inn, La Quinta, Holiday Inn Express, the YO Ranch Hotel, although I think it's a little more expensive, is a great place. So basically stay where you want to stay. I'll try to put the list of various ones on the screen here, but I think I'm staying at the Hampton Inn. I do that with work, so with Hilton Properties, so that's where I'm gonna stay. But you can stay wherever you want. There's not gonna be much going on at the hotels where we're staying. This is about the ride and the fellowship with each of you. So I'm gonna get there Friday afternoon, November the 8th, and then Saturday morning, November 9th, we're meeting there's a Walmart. It's a big enough parking lot. Again, we may try to figure out something better for next year, but we're gonna all meet at the Walmart, be there by 8 o'clock. We're gonna have kickstands up at 8:30. And I'm gonna have these to hand out, hopefully, so, but I'll put this on the screen also. And I didn't make this up, I found this somewhere, but this is a ride plan for the Three Twisted Sisters from Kerrville, so it's perfect. But essentially the plan is we're gonna ride from Kerrville, kickstands up at 8:30 on the 9th, Saturday morning. We're gonna ride down Highway 16, sorry, I gotta put my freaking glasses on. We're gonna ride down Highway 16 to Medina, which starts one leg of the Three Twisted Sisters. That's Ranch Road 337. We're gonna take Ranch Road 337 all the way through Vanderpool down to Lakey. And there is a Bent Rim Bar and Grill, I believe. It's kind of a motorcycle, big kind of pavilion type restaurant place. And depending on when we get there, they may not be open, but that'll be, and I've got all this timed out and we'll go over that. But essentially we'll stop there for a little fellowship for maybe 30 minutes. And then we'll continue on through Leakey for a few miles all the way over till we hit Ranch Road 335, which is another leg of the Three Twisted Sisters. And we'll take Ranch Road 335 all the way up, then we'll cut over on 41 and hit the third leg of the Sisters, Ranch Road 336, all the way back down to Leakey. And if we time all this right, maybe we eat lunch at we're gonna meet back at the Bent Rim Bar and Grill. And then after that, take Ranch Road 337 back up, and then we make our way back, and there's a cool Stonehenge exhibit or replica that we'll stop at before we make our way back to Kerrville, hopefully before dark. So we wanted to get this out there. That's the basic plan. Me and Kelly B, hopefully we'll do a live show here coming up, and maybe you can ask any questions that you may have. But we're looking forward to meeting all of you. This should be a fantastic time. I hope that you can make it. Let me know if you are. Send me an email. You can send an email to me and Kelly B. My email is thebogeybiker@gmail.com, and Kelly B's is kellybgliding@gmail.com. So if you have any questions, I'm back in civilization, so I can respond a little bit better than I have the last few days. So I've had a blast meeting the new friends through some of these various rides over the last year or so. I look forward to meeting more of you here on this trip. So we're looking forward to it. Hope you can make it, and hope to see you there.
Yeah, honey, I'm the bogey biker. And you know I'm here to stay.